Okay, so hello and welcome to my new video. Some days ago, one of my friends suggested me the Wi-Fi study. It's a YouTube channel, especially educational YouTube channel. They produce videos about the exams like Group D, C, SSC, IAS, and UPSC, MPSC, UPPSC, MPPSC. I don't know how many exams are there, but they produce that kind of video, and I have just watched one video. It's about reasoning, and that was like pretty amazing. I mean, it's the video is about a calendar. I mean, I have never thought that through about a simple calendar kind of thing. I mean, it's just a paper which contains the number of days or number of years. The video that teacher on Wi-Fi study have really explained the whole calendar system to me, and as well as the leap year system and leap century year system, something like that. So that was like really awesome. I would like to suggest you that you should watch his channel if you are a student. Okay, so let's talk about something on the newspaper. It's about Holi. One more topic I have missed last video. Okay, this is last newspaper. Okay, wait a minute. Where is the Motu Patlu? They are not here. Okay, here. Yeah, I want to tell you one thing, just like straight, that why everyone is keep spreading awareness on Hindus festival. I mean, this happened every year. There is always, and it is happening since the freedom, I guess. Look here, I have some cartoons about Motu and Patlu, and they are telling that on Holi you should not make new enemies. You should not fight. I want to tell one thing: who fights on Holi? The Holi is the festival that everyone try to sort of their reasons of fighting and many other things that they don't like about each other. But they just try to solve their issues on Holi. They just rub the color on each other face and hugs, and it's like a pretty what they say, social bond festival. Why are you spreading this kind of thing, like you should respect women's on Holi? Why? I mean, why especially on Holi you are telling that you should like respect women? I mean, I know some kind of things that happens, but it's not particular to Holi. It's happened on every single day. Holi, why are you like defaming the Holi festival? And they are also training that what they say. Hmm. What? Yeah, they are also telling about the water pollution and wastage of water. I would like to tell you that the people who are rich, they waste this water, this amount of water every single day without any uses of that. Okay, and how do you think how much water a pichkari can hold, or a water gun can hold? Why are you trying to defame our festivals? I mean, you don't speak on other festival. You just do your thing like Eid Mubarak and Merry Christmas to you all. They don't like they don't point to the issue that on Christmas they cut millions and millions of tree. And I don't want to talk about it because it's like a really sensitive issue. I told you in last video about that Sarai Khan or something, the specific area in Delhi, the mob come and lynch everyone. I mean beat everyone in there. The news channel covered that story. Z News its name. Z News is the name of the channel, and they didn't not even mention the society who attack, or mm, or what they say, the religion who attacked on SC/ST community. They said that the attack was on SC/ST community, but they didn't specify who people are they who attacked on them. I mean, this is the fear, right? This is the fear that they have. They don't want to tell about the religion of the people who attacked on SC/ST community, or and that society, huh? And that fear I also have, so I don't want to take the heat over me. So, but I just want to tell you, why are you spreading this kind of thing? Holi is a like a really good festival. I mean, you people have this kind of issue on every single festival that Hindus celebrate, like Raksha Bandhan. I don't know why are you spreading the awareness about cow cutting or animal cutting on Raksha Bandhan, because there was no connection between them, and some company did that a year ago. They printed a poster, don't hurt animals on Raksha Bandhan. Why? I mean, what is the connection between the Raksha Bandhan and the cow cutting or something, or cow murdering? I guess no, there is no connection. And this also happened on Diwali. Don't burst crackers. I don't like crackers. Okay, first thing. I don't like. I like to burst some crackers who don't like make noise. I hate the noise when a Sutari bomb get blasted. I hate that noise, and it kind of hurt my mind. But I don't want anyone else to say that don't I mean I don't want anyone else to point out our religion over that one thing. For firing a crackers is worldwide. You see that on Christmas, you see that on every single wedding occasions that every religion people have. You see the Priyanka Chopra, she was smoking, and she also saw lots of cracker bursted in their wedding with that boy. He looked like his son. He looked like her son, but okay. Let's go. Nick Jones. That's what his name. I don't want you people to spread this kind of a thing, okay, on festival. If there was some new thing to share, you can do it. But I don't want you to point out my religion's festival about something that never exists, or no other religion are not doing that. You understand what I'm saying? Okay? My English is that not good. I'm just trying to make my language, my speaking in English language fluent. Okay, so what is today's paper is saying? It's the same that you should not go on celebrate Holi. I don't celebrate Holi. Okay, first when I was living in my village, I do a lot. I had a lot of friends that time, but I don't have that much. And the people that I have, they live in a village, and I live in a other town. So I don't celebrate Holi, and some friends come to my house on Holi, and last year they did not even do that. So I don't celebrate because I don't have any friend nearby me to rub color on their faces. But still, I want people to celebrate. I would like when festival is going on, and everything was like a happy. Every direction looks when you look this way, the colored people walk around. Colored children especially, they walk around and dance this kind of a little. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so what is the yeah, what is the name of Wajhe, Sachin Wajhe or something? No. I don't want to talk about this because mm, it will also take Maharashtra government into my video, and I don't wanna do it because they are like a really dangerous people, I guess. There are no other good things to share with you, but it's okay. Video has gone long, like 11 minutes, so it's done. My job is done. Okay. On next video, I would like to explain or tense. I mean, it is not that kind of video that I make or do I make, I guess. But I know tense very well, and that is why I am speaking a little in English. So I want to do a video that explain tense whole. I mean that explain whole tense system, and it is for my future reference that I knew these kind of things, because in future maybe I forgot what I have learned, so I just wanna capture it in a video and post it online. Okay, so bye. अगर तुम साथ हो, तेरी नजरों में है तेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में मारा दिल, मुझे लगता है कि बातें दिल की वो लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी, तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है, बेदर्द की जिंदगी दे